Hey there, I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. Unfortunately, someone tapped my truck overnight. They didn't leave a note or anything. Thankfully, it was only really my tail light here. They caught the tail gate a little bit too, which really sucks. Kind of a bummer today. Video I wasn't planning on making, but I came out one morning a few days ago and someone hit my truck. So I don't really know when it happened. It was just parked on a side street, a dead end, so I don't know why anyone was turning around there. But they backed into my truck and didn't leave a note or anything, so a little frustrating. But thankfully, it was only really the tail light here, and then they kind of caught the tailgate here too, which sucks. It's really dented, cracked the paint, scratched it up a little bit. Also, this the bumper here is pushed in a little bit. I can't really squeeze a finger in on this side, but on this side I can squeeze my finger all the way down. So I don't know, probably won't replace this, but what we'll be replacing today is the tail light here. So yeah, I just got this one from like carparts.com. It shipped really quickly, and yeah, let's get it installed. It should be really quick. One other thing I did temporarily while I was waiting for this to show up was I bought some tail light tape, the red stuff. And so it's like this clear, transparent red tape, and it made it look almost like you couldn't tell during the day. At night the light was pinkish, but during the day it was fine and held me over until this came in today.
One other thing for you guys, I was actually able to piece together the tail light from the guy that hit me, and I just can't figure out what kind of car it's from. I'm thinking it's some sort of Hyundai. I put a picture of it in the Facebook group, and people kind of agreed, but we couldn't nail down exactly what kind of car it's from, and it's frustrating. Like, I'm laying in bed at night trying to figure out what kind of car it was. I don't really care. Now it's just a game, right? So if you can help me out, throw any ideas in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it.
Taking off the taillight's super easy. It's just two 10mm bolts here, and it just kind of pulls right out. Looking up here under the truck, that's where the taillight wiring is passed through, that hole up there. It comes down, it's zip tied, and you can see the connection right here. So I'm just going to disconnect this, cut the zip tie, and feed the wiring through.
One last thing I needed to do before reinstalling the taillight was transferring over the LED bulbs from my old housing. Fortunately, they were still usable. I originally got the LED taillight bulbs because I had bought the LED third brake light that sits above the rear window, and I thought it looked a little weird with that being LED, but the main one still being halogen. I had the LED reverse lights because one of my regular ones burnt out, and I figured I would just upgrade.
Okay, now that I got the lights swapped over, let's throw this guy in. Again, I'm just feeding it down. You'll see the poppers just slide right in here on the side. And then the bolts fit right in on the side.
A quick test of the lights, and we were good to go. Like I said earlier, these taillights were from carparts.com and came with the bulbs already installed. I replaced them with my Oxito LED bulbs that I already had, and I'll make sure to have all those parts linked down below.
Okay, well that's going to be it for this video. New taillight looks great. It looks so good. It almost makes the other one look crappy, so I might be replacing that one. It's like 30 bucks or so to replace, so not a huge deal, but it looks great. Now this is the all I gotta fix from this little incident. Unfortunate, but you know, whatever. Things happen. You just gotta roll with the punches. So again, thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.